Hello grade 2. Today's phonics sound is the O sound. You can see that it's two vowels standing next to each other. When two vowels go out walking, the first one does all the talking. So this sound says O. I'm going to read this story to you. Whenever you see or hear a word with the O sound, you can clap. You must clap even if you hear the same word used more than once. When Mr. O and his friend Mr. A go out walking, Mr. O does the talking. He just says his name O, but his friend won't do the same. He's too busy looking out for robots. Mr. O and Mr. A are out walking down by the coast. They stopped at the Floating Boaters Cafe to have a poached egg on toast. Everyone loves to eat poached eggs and toast there, even the goats. They get boatloads of loaves delivered every day to make all the toast they need. Can you see what is loaded in the boat today? Mr. O and Mr. A are walking towards the road because they can see the Letterland coach coming. They often like to travel by coach on the road along the coast with its beautiful views. Look out, Mr. A! Someone has left their socks soaking in a bowl. Don't step on the soap and get soaked in the soapy foam. How many times did you clap? Can you remember? If you said 25 times, yay! You're correct. We are going to play a fun word game. I'll give you a word clue and you see if you can spot the picture and say the word quickly before I say the answer for you. Listen carefully. I'm sure you'll get them all. The restaurant on the deck is called the Boaters Cafe. The man is eating crunchy bread called toast. His eggs have been poached. The bread on the table is called a what of bread? A loaf of bread. The white animals on the deck are called goats. The black coal has been loaded into the boat. A baby horse is called a foal. The horses were given something to eat. Oats. The pretty leaves in the corner of the picture belong to a certain tree. An oak tree. The soccer boy was happy because he scored a goal. Another name for the big bus? A coach. The coach was going along the winding road. Another name for a frog? Toad. If you leave socks in soapy water to get clean, we say they are soaking. Lots of soap in the water makes soft white fluffy foam. The water area around the castle is called a moat. Well done. I'm imagining that you got all the words before I said them. I'm proud of you for listening so well, grade 2.